Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix DoorDash app won't let me cash out. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to check if there are any updates on the Dasher mobile application. So go ahead and open your Google Play Store or App Store depending on your device. In the search bar, just simply search for DoorDash. So in this case, look for DoorDash Dasher here and from here check if there are any updates. Now in here, to verify that you have the latest updates or in your DoorDash mobile application here, the next thing we want to do is we want to make sure that we clear your temporary files or your cache. So in this case, let's go ahead and exit. Now look for DoorDash application, tap and hold on it and then go for this app info. Then tap on this clear data and click on this clear cache. Click on OK. Now from here, see if that solves your issue. Now if those solution doesn't work for you, well, the next thing that we could do here is we need to contact support. Now to do that, first we need to go to our browser, go to google.com and search for DoorDash support and open up the first thing that you can see here, Dasher support. Click on it. So now in this case, you need to choose the option here for Dasher support. Click on it. In here, in this page here, you will be able to see ways for you to contact support. So you could either visit help center, the Dasher chat with us in Dasher app, or call the following numbers. So now in this case, choose whatever method that you want to contact support and from there just tell them about your issue that currently you aren't able to cash out. Now from here they will be able to assist you and you should be good. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.